Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing extremely well. Today we are discussing top 10 questions, English pedagogy questions. So let's we start. So the first question is, the following is a conditional sentence. Option is, it's a sunny day, isn't it? Second is, I have to go to work. Third one is, if the sea is stormy, the waves are high. Fourth one is, shut the door. And the answer is, if the sea is stormy, the waves are high. So this is the correct answer. Next question. Communication technology that enables sharing of educational resource within an institution. Option is audio, video, cassette, internet, internet, and telephone. And the answer is intranet. So this is the correct answer. Next question. Encouraging the students to love the world and to imagine a peaceful future, and caring for the students and encouraging the students to care for other is dash dash education. Option is vocational, distance, academic, and values. So this the and the answer is values. So this is the correct answer. Next question. A communication technique that requires the listener to feedback what they have heard in their own words to confirm the understanding of both parties is dash dash listening. Option is passive, active, appreciative, and informative. So the answer is active. So this is the correct answer. Next question. Compounding is, option is forming the words from exiting ones by adding affix to them, like shamelessness is equal to shamelessness. Second is uh, steering together old words, like the formation of earthquake from earth and quake. Third one is removing seeming affix from exiting words, such as forming edit for editor. Fourth one is joining parts of two or more older words, such as forming smog, which comes from smoke and fog. So the correct answer is steering together old words, like the formation of earthquake from earth and quack. So this is the correct answer. Next question. Constructivism is a theory where students, option is construct their own learning aids, thereby gaining on experience. Second is study a variety of dissimilar samples and draw a well founded conclusion. Third is from their own understanding and knowledge of the world, thought experiencing things and reflecting on those experiences. Fourth one is are facilitated by the teacher and use a variety of media to research and create their own theories. So the correct answer is from their own understanding and knowledge of the world, thought experiencing things and reflecting on those experiences. So this is the correct answer. Next question. E-learning refers to. Option is a language course for foreign languages. Second is acquisition of the mother tongue. Third one is learning English language as the first language. Fourth one is use of electronic media and information and communication technologies. And the answer is use of electronic media and information and communication technologies. So this is the correct answer. Next question. A subject centered approach is where learning experiences are organized around. Option is educational technology, students interested interest. Third one is teacher students competency, and fourth one is course content. The answer is course content. So this is the correct answer. Next question. Standardized assessment means that dash dash assessment. Option is alternative, formative, summative, um, frequent. And the answer is summative. So this is the correct answer. Next question. The gathering skill while reading is option is analysis, note taking, note making, puzzling out. And the answer is note making. So this is the correct answer. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please subscribe my channel, share, like, and please come. See you in next video.